22f1fa19a1c, line 22f1fa19a1c Monochromatic 927 MHz radio emission near stars Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal there. And there's the keyword search for monochromatic 927 MHz radio emission from near stars. That was from the last video. And I found it on Google. So search for that. So this comes up, SAO NASA Astrophysics Data Systems, ADS. Title, search for monochromatic 927 MHz radio emissions from nearby stars. Authors are Tchaikovsky, Starbowski, Gertide, Racklin, Soviet Astronomy, 1971. Articles.adsab.harvard.edu. This is very interesting. You'll like this. So this is some Soviet astronomy, November, December 1971. So I'm going to just read this little passage I found in the PDF file. It's really cool. Search for monochromatic 927 MHz radio emissions from the above scientists. I'm just going to scoot down. It's from the Radio Physics Institute, Gorky State University, June 2nd, 1970. A search for narrowband emissions from certain stars up to tens of light years from the Earth is reported. Signals were sought in a 2 MHz band around 927 MHz by means of a 25-channel detector, each channel of which had a passband of 13 MHz and a noise temperature of 60 K. An antenna 15 meters in diameter was used. No monochromatic emission above 210 to the 21 WM2 was found at this wavelength during the search. The study was a part of the search for Cygnia is from extraterrestrial civilizations. A theoretical treatment seems to show that a highly developed civilization probably exists within 100 to 1,000 light years of the sum of 1 to 4. So they actually believed that there was somebody close by back in 1966. Analysis of the nature of the possible signals leads to the conclusion that one can expect extremely narrowband monochromatic signals. We designed and built suitable apparatus and carried out observations of 12 sources. The search is described below. Okay, I'm going to read a little further. It is a search for monochromatic emission which significantly distinguishes this study from the first measurements made by Drake, which would be Frank Drake, in 1960. He's actually the head of SETI Institute, okay? For 2 sources at 21 centimeters. Monochromatic cosmic signals were sought with a parabolic antenna 15 meters in diameter at the radio astronomy station of the Scientific Research Institute of Radiophysics at Zemecki. The receiver is of the superhetero type with a parametric amplifier at the input and noise temperature of 60 K. It is tuned to 927 MHz and has a passband of 2.2 MHz. The first local oscillator is excited through a series of multipliers from a quartz crystal oscillator, which permits transient instabilities of only 5 to the 10 to the 9 in the oscillator frequency. The 75 MHz intermediate frequency voltage is supplied to the input of Okay, so let's just talk about the different signals, okay? I'm going to skip over that. What I was finding was interesting is that they were basing their research on Drake, who obviously found something in 1960, and they wanted to explore it a little further to see what they could find. So I'll be doing some more searches on the monochromatic megahertz to see if anything else comes up. And there's the ending. In the fall of 1968-1969, observations were made of stars taken from a catalog prepared especially for this purpose under the direction of B. Kurkarakan. A list of the stars is shown in Table 1. American Institute of Physics, provided by NASA Astrophysics Data System, so you know that they wrote it. Okay? I just thought it'd be interesting. You can look that up. Volume 15, number 3, December 1971. Very interesting article. Okay, so we'll go on to the next video.